This is the Hughes H-4 Hercules, commonly known as the Spruce Goose. It is a prototype strategic airlift flying boat designed and built by the Hughes Aircraft Company. Intended as a transatlantic flight transport for use during World War II, it was not completed in time to be used in the war. The aircraft made only one brief flight, on November 2, 1947, and the project never advanced beyond the prototype phase. Built from wood duramol process because of wartime restrictions on the use of aluminum and concerns about weight, the aircraft was nicknamed the Spruce Goose by critics, although it was made almost entirely of birch. The Hercules is the largest flying boat ever built, and it had the largest wingspan of any aircraft ever flown until the twin-fuselaged scaled composite stratolaunch first flew on April 13, 2019. The aircraft remains in good condition. After having been displayed to the public in Long Beach, California, from 1980 to 1992, it was moved to display at the Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum in McMinnville, Oregon, United States. The H-4 Hercules prototype lifted off the water to fly just under half a mile at an altitude of 25 feet above the seas for about 30 seconds. Although the aircraft never saw air again, this one flight changed the course of global innovation and inspired a whole new generation of aviation enthusiasts. Howard Hughes called it the H-4 Hercules, a fitting name for the largest and most powerful airplane of its time. The press, however, dubbed his prized creation the Spruce Goose, a name Hughes despised. Come with me and enjoy walking around this giant of the skies. Please let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this marvel of aviation.